How to add YouTube app on desktop screen of laptop or PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the YouTube app on your desktop screen on your laptop or PC. It's simple, quick, and super convenient for accessing your favorite content. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your preferred browser on your laptop or PC. I'm using the Google Chrome for this tutorial, but you can follow along with the most modern browsers. Once you have opened the browsers, navigate to the YouTube website by typing www.youtube.com into the address bar and pressing the enter. Once you are inside the YouTube, look at the top right corner of your browser and you will see the three dot menu icon. Simply click on it and the drop down menu will appear. Now go down to the options that says cast, save and share. And from there simply tap on install YouTube. And after that confirming the installation of YouTube and your YouTube will be installed in your desktop screen. Now I will show you the another way to add YouTube app on your desktop screen. To do that, you simply again have to go through the Google Chrome browser. Once you are in the browser, simply go to the YouTube. And once you are in the YouTube, simply tap on the three dot icon shown on the top right corner of the screen. And again, go to the cast, save and share menu. And from there a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on create shortcut and it will ask you for the confirmation. From there, you simply have to select create and your YouTube app will be appearing on your desktop screen. And there you have it. Now you know how to add the YouTube app to your desktop screen for quick and easy access. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.